Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Mureka AI and ask, is it worth it? In order to do so, here we are at Mureka.ai. And first thing we can do is we can take a look at the homepage here, and you can see that there's a variety of songs that other people have created, and you can listen to those, and you can even click on this button here that says Create Similar if you like a song and you want to create something that's in that style. But the majority of the work you're going to do is going to be found here in the Create tab. And this is where we have our various options. You're going to see songs that we've already created here. And here you see basic and advanced. So under basic, if you just want to do something very simple, then you can use these helpful suggestions at the bottom. There's a variety of subcategories that you can take a look at, or you can just type in something that's very simple. So in this case, we could just do a love song in Spanish. Why not? And then if you wanted to create that, then you can go ahead and click create on that. Then from here, we also have the advanced tab, and this is really where the meat is. And you can see that we can enter in our song title. We can also click random. And if we click on that, we'll just let Mureka do its thing here for a moment. And we can see that it will actually randomize the name of the song and even give us lyrics as well. So that's really quite nice. Then from there, if we want to add a reference track, we can see this option here. You have a variety of helpful reference tracks that you can use. You can just click the use button there and then you can use that, or you can upload your own audio, or you can use a YouTube link. So if you are thinking about a specific song and you want your song to be in that style, then you can use the reference track. Then from there, we also have vocal. And if we click on this here, what we actually have is the option to upload our own audio. So if you're a singer and you want to be able to sing with your song and you want your lyrics to be in there and your sound, then you can upload your own audio. Or again, you can use the YouTube link. Now, bear in mind that this is only for the Pro plan. So just keep that in mind. We can go ahead and click on the X there, and we'll come back here. Then we have the description option here, and this is really where you can dial in the sound of your song. So we have a variety of genres, and we can just click on these. And you can see that we have our genres show up and they're each separated by a comma, which is the basic format that you want to follow. We also have mood. So depending on the kind of song we want to do, we want it to be happy and energetic, then we can do that. And then we got those commas in there separating. And once we're done, we can go ahead and click done. And then you can see now that we have those details in our description. There's also melody ideas. So if you have a specific melody that you want to be in the song, then you can do that. Again, that is on the Pro plan. So you are going to need the subscription in order to take advantage of that. With Mureka, we do, it is offering some credits to get started. I've already gone through my credits and they give you a couple. I think they give you like 4 and each song costs 2 credits. So it'll be enough for you to do something, but you'll run out pretty quick. However, if you do if you click here, then you can actually invite friends to get free credits. And here you could claim 2 credits per friend invited. So you can copy that link, send that to your friends, and you can get some credits to create more songs. We can see here the subscribe page and what it's going to take in order to get more out of Mureka is basically for the yearly plan. It's going to be billed at $96 a year, which comes out to be about $8 a month. Then you have the Pro plan, which is billed at $288 a year and billed at $24 a month. We have the monthly plan, and that's going to be $10 for the basic and $30 for the Pro plan. And there's a few options in Mureka that you're not going to have access to unless you have that Pro plan. So bear that in mind. Now, the question about Mureka, is it worth it? Well, let's go ahead and listen to a song here really quick. We'll just give you an idea of what Mureka is capable of.
In the woods where the shadows play, I walked alone, feeling astray. lost in thoughts of you, my love. But nature's whispers made me grave. Leaves rustled under my feet, as if the trees were beating drums. Each step felt like a brand new start. Nature's embrace, I couldn't part. New.
So there you go. That gives you at least some idea of what Mureka is capable of. And I think the results speak for themselves. You can hear that and make your own determination. But as far as just the question of whether or not Mureka is worth it, I would say that of all of the options that they provide you, they really have a solid platform. The only thing that I would criticize Mureka for is the credit system. If you go to other platforms, then the credits can be a little bit more generous. You're going to run out of credits here pretty quick. You only get 2 songs essentially. And in order to use more, you are looking at that subscription, or you have to invite some friends. And the subscription, as far as I'm concerned, might just be a little bit too high. If you compare it with other platforms that do have similar functions, then I think that some of those other platforms offer more for much less. So while I would recommend Mureka in terms of, yes, it's a good platform, it has all the options that you're looking for, I'm not so sure about their subscription plan, and I do think that the credits that they offer you are really quite limiting. So when you consider that other platforms are a little bit more generous and also cost less, then is it worth it? Well, quite honestly, it's not something that I think I would spend too much time with personally, just because I know that there are other platforms that are just offer a bit more for less. And we'll just leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.